Tech for All is an IT firm whose mission is to empower people through IT. Amongst the various products and services we provide include IT consulting services, design and development of websites and mobile applications, graphics design and printing, digital marketing, retail and bulk paper printing, managing online meetings, holding class sessions, amongst other things. Here in this YouTube channel, we aim to empower and get empowered, and we'll be discussing various things in IT, things like DIYs, the impact of technology on various things, on various fields, amongst other things. Kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit on the notification bell to make sure that you're not left out anytime a new video is uploaded. See you! So, as obvious as the title may sound, this really isn't obvious to everyone, and that is okay. So don't feel bad, don't feel at your minority, okay? Don't worry, I'll take you through. So the first step is to make sure that you have power wherever you are. So to test that, you just switch on the lights, alafu ikiwaka, you know that you have lights. So you can connect your laptop's power cable through directly an external source like that, or you can connect it using an extension cable. Through an extension cable, we can use the power cable like that. Then you switch it on. No, before switching it on, you first make sure that your pin is correctly plugged to your laptop. There are different kinds of sizes of pins. There's like this one, a small one. There are bigger ones. So make sure that your size of the pin is equal to the size of your laptop where you're supposed to connect it to. For example, the size of mine is this. So meaning that the pin will be compatible to it. Okay? So see you on the next one as we continue completely putting on the laptop.